Hello everyone, and welcome back to another installment of Wolin Design Group's presented Da Vinci Unified Training videos. Today we'll be talking about building and breaking kits. Today we'll be talking about how to build kits from your available inventory and how to turn your kits into available inventory. Before we continue, be sure to take a look at some of these previous videos. To ensure that you can develop these kits through this process, I have to note that all your individual items that will build this kit must be placed in the same location so they can be assembled in this singular location. This allows Da Vinci to ensure it is actually built physically and logged in the inventory. After you confirm the location of your items, navigate to Kit Inventory, where you can search and select your desired kit. Double-click to enter the inventory detail and highlight the selection to activate the toolbar. Indicated by the magic wand icon, we have the Build Kit tool. Select this tool to bring in the build window. It is here where you can select that singular location where the materials are. And Da Vinci will calculate from all the available inventory how many kits can be assembled. In this case, we have 44. Lucky for us, we only need 10. Apply the quantity you wish to build and select Save. And just like that, you have 10 assembled kits in your kit inventory, ready to go. And as you can see, those items were removed from the item inventory now that they are part of a kit. Now, in the situation where you find you need to take apart 10 cases to use the items within your item inventory, we can take care of that in the inventory detail screen. Next to Build Kit, we have Break Kit. Select this tool to bring up the window, and here you can select the quantity in which you wish to break, and click Save. We can check item inventory to see that our items have been returned. That's all for our lesson today in building and breaking kits. Be sure to check back with us for more videos on how to use Da Vinci Unified. We recognize that the build and break option may not be ideal for everyone in terms of how kits are assembled, but we offer it as a quick shortcut. Fear not for those in need of a more advanced management of kits. We will be discussing our more advanced methods in these upcoming videos. And if you have further questions or would like to set up a training session, feel free to contact our support. Or check out our detailed documentation online. Thanks for watching.